Hey guys, welcome back to our 5-week bootcamp. In the last video, we covered the basics of variables and data types. Now, it's time to dive into some hands-on coding in Java. Today, we are going to learn how to create and use variables which are building blocks of every program. Let's get started. Let's start by creating some variables. Open your code editor and follow along. Here, I am using IntelliJ and I would prefer you to follow the same. We will start by creating class named variables and data types. Inside that, we are going to write our program. To declare a variable, we follow this format. Data type, variable name, assigning operator, value. Here how we can define a few simple variables. Int age is equal to 25. Similarly, we will declare for float, double, char, string, and boolean. There are some limitations while declaring variable names. Here I have listed a few of them. Let's see one example. We cannot declare a variable named 4 because it's a reserved keyword. Instead, we can make some alterations in it, like number 4 or for number. Now let's print these values using System.out.println function to see what's inside in our variable. We will start by printing age. System.out.println age. In IntelliJ, we have a shortcut for this function. We can simply write SOUT. Similarly, we will print for rest all the variables. Height and grade, name, and is student. Hit run and you will see the values printed on the screen. It's like opening up the boxes and peeking inside. The cool thing about variables in that you can change their values anytime. Let's modify the age and is student variables. Let's update age value to 35. Earlier it was 25. Similarly, we will update is student to false. Earlier it was true. Let's print updated values. System.out.println age, and similarly is student. Let's keep variable name as updated age and updated is student. Now when we print these updated values, we see the new ones. This shows how you can track and update data throughout your program. Here we'll combine variables. You can also combine variables to do calculations and other mathematical operations. Here we can multiply the height by 12 to convert into inches. As we know, 1 feet equals to 12 inches. Double height in inches equals to height into 12. So let's print the height in inches. This is a simple example of how you can use variables and math in creating new data. Great job! You just learned how to create, print, update, and combine variables in Java. These are the basic skills you will use in every program you write. Keep practicing. In the upcoming video, we will learn about operators and expressions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy coding!